In this video we'll look at doing a scoring of a session using the Bridgemates simulator. So we'll go from start to finish, and here's how it goes. So let's start a scoring session for a pairs event. Select the number of tables. We've got 12 tables competing, and we're using the 24 board movement with table 1 and table 12 sharing. So that's the setup on the left hand side all done, and now we select our competition on the right hand side, so click that, and then it looks okay, so then OK. Now if you have got Bridgemate installed, then it asks you if you want to use Bridgemate for this session, and I'll say yes. We've got some other options there, but we'll talk about those in another session. But by default, we usually just, if it's a normal scoring session, we just go OK. And now it's asking if there's a phantom pair. I'll say yes. Is it a north-south? Yes. And so the north-south phantom pair is 12. And if that's OK, then I click yes. Okay, now I've got a 12. Now I've got a phantom. Now the CompassMate screen opens. So we're in simulation mode here. So we click the adjustments tab, and now we'll click the key in all player names, and this is just simulating the keying in of player names on the Bridgemates. So we click that, and here's it's asking what names do we want to key in, and there are just a few options here. It just reads the club database and selects the name from there. So just this starts at the top, so all the A's, so it just looks at the players' names from A through to however many. So you can select those players, or you can select the players with surnames beginning with M and going forward. And the other option is to just randomly select any player at all from the database. I usually, for a pairs event, just click the I just select all players starting with A. So click yes. So now those players are now keyed in. And now we simulate the adding of the scores on the Bridgemates by just keying in the score. So that button there, if we click that, and now the scores for round 1 have now been keyed in effect, and read into Compass. And then by another click, and now we've got round 2, round 3, round 4, round 5, round 6, round 7, round 8, round 9, round 10, round 11 and 12. And now if I click it again, it just says okay, all results have now been read in, so that can't do any more. Okay, so now we've got all the names in, all the scores in. Now we display the results in Compass, and there we are. So now we've got the results displayed in Compass, and that's about it. So it's a very simple way of running a test session using the Bridgemate simulator.